हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू पैराडाइम क्लासेस। स्टूडेंट्स, इसके प्रीवियस वाले क्लास में हम लोग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फॉर्मूले पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस किए थे। आज हम इसी पे बेस्ड जो इसके पहले वाले क्लास में हम लोगों ने सारे फॉर्मूले डिराइव किए थे, उसी पे बेस्ड आगे क्वेश्चन करेंगे, जो कि साइन सी प्लस साइन डी या साइन सी माइनस डी, साइन सी माइनस साइन डी, कॉस सी प्लस कॉस डी, कॉस सी माइनस कॉस डी पे बेस्ड फॉर्मूले करेंगे। और ये फॉर्मूले हम सारे प्रूफ कर लिए थे, उसी पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चन करेंगे। तो एग्जाम्पल से ही चलते हैं। एग्जाम्पल नंबर फर्स्ट है, या फार्मूला पहले लिख दे रहा हूं, एक बार जल्दी से रिकैप कर दे रहा हूं। फार्मूला क्या था? फर्स्ट है साइन सी प्लस साइन डी। ये क्या था फार्मूला? 2 साइन सी प्लस डी बाई 2 इंटू कॉस सी माइनस डी बाई 2। ठीक, ये था। और ऐसे दूसरा साइन सी माइनस साइन डी, ये क्या था? 2 कॉस सी प्लस डी बाई 2, कॉस सी प्लस डी बाई 2 इंटू साइन सी माइनस डी बाई 2। और थर्ड फॉर्मूला था कॉस सी प्लस कॉस डी। अब कॉस सी और कॉस डी में दोनों में क्या आता था? कॉस सी प्लस डी बाई 2 इंटू कॉस सी माइनस डी बाई 2, यही था ना। और कॉस सी माइनस डी में क्या आता था? फोर्थ फॉर्मूला कॉस सी माइनस कॉस डी। इसमें क्या आता था? साइन आता था। 2 साइन सी प्लस डी बाई 2, यहां माइनस लगता था तो सी माइनस डी, लेकिन माइनस का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये आ जाएगा साइन डी माइनस सी। इस बात का ध्यान रखना है। बात समझ में आ? इन्हीं चारों फॉर्मूले पे बेस्ड आज हम क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं। एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट है। अच्छा, इसमें 4 क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, हम 2 करवा दे रहे बस, एक साइन वाला एक कॉस वाला। ठीक है, तो एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट है इसका साइन 6 थीटा, साइन 6 थीटा माइनस साइन 2 थीटा। ये थीटा है 60 में। ठीक, और सेकेंड वाला हम करवा दे रहे हैं कॉस 60 कॉस 4 थीटा, इसको प्लस बना लो, कॉस 4 थीटा माइनस कॉस 8 कॉस 4 कॉस 6 माइनस 8, कॉस 6 थीटा माइनस कॉस 8 थीटा। ठीक, बस देख लो कौन सा फॉर्मूला इसमें लगना है। इसमें ये आ जाएगा, ये साइन सी प्लस साइन डी ये वाला है, तो साइन सी प्लस साइन डी में क्या होता है? 2 साइन सी प्लस डी, 6 थीटा प्लस 2 थीटा 8 थीटा, और 8 थीटा बाई 2 इंटू साइन सी माइनस डी, 6 थीटा माइनस 2 थीटा 4 थीटा बाई 2। तो ये आ जाएगा। हाँ,
इसमें कौन सा लगाएंगे?
फर्स्ट वाला सीधा नहीं दिख रहा, साइन सी प्लस साइन डी। तो अरे यहाँ पे कॉस होगा,
तो यही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ,
ये कॉस है, कॉस में है ना। तो ये आ जाएगा 2 साइन 8 थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई 2 4 थीटा इंटू कॉस 4 थीटा डिवाइडेड बाई 2 थीटा। हो गया इसका आंसर। ऐसे इसको क्या करेंगे? कॉस सी माइनस कॉस डी ये है, तो क्या लगेगा? 2 साइन सी प्लस डी 6 प्लस 8 14 थीटा बाई 2 इंटू साइन डी माइनस सी, इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। 8 माइनस 6 2 थीटा, 4 नहीं है 14 है, तो ये आ जाएगा 8 से 14 होता है ना, तो 2 साइन, ये आ जाएगा 7 थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा। यही क्या है? इसका आंसर है। ठीक, अब हम चल रहे हैं इसको प्रूफ कराने। आगे लिखे, वो हटा दे रहे फार्मूला अब बताना। अब हम आगे इस पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चन और अच्छी लेवल का करते हैं। यस, मिल गया क्वेश्चन, हटा रहे इसको।
जी जी।
देखो, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 है प्रूफ करना। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 प्रूव दैट cos 18 माइनस sin 18 इज इक्वल टू √2 साइन 27, √2 साइन 27, ठीक है। हटाओ इसको,
हटा दीजिए, हो गया। अब ये कैसे होगा?
देखो अब हमको प्रूफ करना है cos 18 माइनस साइन 18 इज इक्वल टू √2 साइन 27।
हाँ।
तो यहाँ पे क्या लगेगा? पहली बात तो यहाँ एक चीज दिख नहीं रहा, जैसे साइन सी प्लस साइन डी दोनों में साइन साइन, साइन सी माइनस साइन डी दोनों में साइन, cos सी प्लस cos डी दोनों में cos, cos सी माइनस cos डी दोनों में cos। लेकिन यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा दिख नहीं रहा, साइन और cos दोनों है। इसका मतलब इसमें हमको किसी एक को साइन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, साइन या cos में। चाहे इसको साइन में कन्वर्ट कर दे,
अच्छा हाँ,
और चाहे इसको
Cos
cos में कन्वर्ट कर दे, बात एक ही है।
Correct.
चलो देखो क्या करेंगे, ये है cos 18 माइनस साइन 18, तो हम इस cos को ही साइन में कन्वर्ट कर दे रहे हैं। तो इस cos 18 को क्या लिख सकते हो? साइन साइन 90 माइनस, रुक जाओ, 90 माइनस थीटा, साइन साइन 90 माइनस थीटा cos थीटा होता है कि नहीं?
हाँ।
लिखने नहीं दिए, बोलने लगे। अब देखो तो ये इसके बराबर लिख सकता हूँ साइन 90 माइनस थीटा, क्योंकि cos थीटा होता है। तो इसके इक्वल हम ये लिख सकते हैं। इसका मतलब ये कौन सा एंगल है? 90 में 18 घटाओगे कितना आएगा? 72, 72 है ये, माइनस साइन 18। अब मिल गया कि नहीं? साइन ए माइनस साइन बी या साइन सी माइनस साइन डी, ठीक है। तो साइन सी माइनस साइन डी का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? 2 साइन सी माइनस डी होता है पहले, और cos सी प्लस डी वो होता है साइन सी, हाँ
सी प्लस डी,
हाँ सी प्लस डी होता है, लेकिन सी माइनस डी। 72 माइनस 18/2, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा, इंटू cos सी प्लस डी, 72 प्लस 18/2, ठीक है। तो ये आ जाएगा 2 साइन,
इसमें सी प्लस,
इससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? सी प्लस डी बाई 2 करो, फिर सी माइनस डी बाई 2 करो, मल्टीप्लाई है ना, तो इसको पहले लिखो या इसको पहले लिखो, उसी में उलझे रहो। 2 साइन 18 कितना आएगा? 54 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इंटू कॉस, ये कितना आएगा? 90 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, तो ये आ जाएगा 2 साइन 27 और इंटू कॉस 45। कॉस 45 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 1/√2। ये √2 से ये √2 एक कैंसिल हो जाएगा, √2 बच जाएगा, √2 साइन 27। और यही प्रूफ करना था, ठीक है, यही प्रूफ करना था हमको। ठीक, अगला चलते हैं। ओके, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 में एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन है, 4 है, 4 के चारों प्रूफ हैं, तो जिसमें से हम
1 या 2 करा दी।
ठीक है, 2 हम करवा दे रहे हैं, हटा दें इसको,
हटावा।
देखो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 है फर्स्ट, यस मैं क्या करवा दूं? थर्ड और फोर्थ,
ना करवाइए,
चलो थर्ड और फोर्थ करवा दे रहा हूं।
नहीं 6 करवाइए, 4।
देखो तो साइन ए और प्लस साइन बी अपान कॉस ए प्लस कॉस बी, इसको प्रूफ करना है tan a प्लस बी बाई 2, ठीक। और इसमें हम एग्जाम्पल नंबर और हम करवा दे रहे हैं,
अरे जब करवाइएगा तब
सेकंड,
पहले इसको करवाइए।
अरे हो जाएगा इसी में।
नहीं,
सेकंड,
तभी लिखिए।
साइन ए साइन 3, साइन ए प्लस साइन 3 ए अपान कॉस ए प्लस कॉस 3 है, तो फिर तो डिफरेंट नहीं होगा, हमको रुको डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, रुको कुछ ये एकदम ऐसे ही है, तो हम कॉस वाला करवा दे रहे हैं, फोर्थ वाला। फोर्थ है कॉस 7a प्लस कॉस 5a डिवाइडेड बाई साइन 7a
हाँ,
माइनस साइन 5a, that is 5a. We have to prove that this is equal to cot a.
हाँ
Cot a.
ए
Let's see.
लेट आ
Prove. Prove first. Third.
हाँ
Sin a plus sin b upon cos a cos b. Here we will use formula sin a plus sin b. What is the formula for sin a plus sin b? 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Isn't it? Upon cos a plus cos b. What is formula for cos a cos b? 2 cos a plus b by 2 up into cos a minus b by 2. Okay? Now cancel 2 cos a minus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. We will left with sin a plus b by 2 upon cos a plus b by 2.
जिसका कि tan a by 2
Yeah. Sin a plus b by 2 upon cos a plus b by 2, which will be equal to tan a plus b by 2. Got it?
हाँ
Which is RHS.
हाँ यार
This is what we have to prove.
हाँ
We have to prove. Okay?
ठीक है
Now let's see the fourth question. Here, given that cos a plus cos b type in numerator and denominator sin a minus sin b. Here also we will use the same formula. That is cos a cos 7a plus cos 5a. It's the right hand side first we will solve. 5a upon
काहे
sin a
लेफ्ट सॉल्व करता
minus sin 5a. Now by using the formula cos a plus cos b. What is the formula for cos a cos b? Earlier we have used this cos a cos b.
हाँ ये वही
Then cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b, that is 7a plus 5a by 2 into cos a minus b, 7a minus 5a by 2. Similarly, formula for in denominator sin a minus sin b. What is formula for sin a minus sin b?
C plus
2 cos c plus d by 2, 7a plus 5a by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 7a minus 5a by 2. Isn't it? And by cancelling 2 say 2 out of 2 cancel out, 2 divided by 2, and here cos 7 plus 5 12a divided by 2 6a into 7 minus 5 2a divided by 2 cos a upon 7 plus 5 cos 6a. Here similarly ये sin 7a minus 5a upon 2 2a upon 2a. Now cancelling cos 6a cos 6a. We will left cos a upon sin a, or which will be equal to cot a. That is what I have to prove. RHS. This is LHS. Sorry, this is LHS. But we have to solve LHS. Now moving towards next question. In this section, example number 3, there was 4 questions. I have done 2 out of 2 questions and 2 left for you. Yes, example number 4, this is also for from NCERT, and here example there is 3 questions. I will do only 2 questions in this section. Example number 4. Example number 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, third. Okay, third. Example number 4. So what is example? Sin 3a sin 3x plus
काली क्या
sin x sin 3x plus sin x
अपान
into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x cos 3x minus cos x into cos x, or we have to prove this is equal to 0. Okay,
हाँ
now proving. LHS, here LHS is what? Sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x. Here we will use the formula for sin A plus sin B. What is formula for sin A plus sin B? 2 sin A plus B. A is 3x and B is x. A plus B by 2
cos 3x minus x
into cos 3x, मतलब that is A minus B by 2. 3x minus x by 2. Similarly, here also by using formula cos C minus cos D.
sin हुआ
Yeah,
sin धारिए मल्टीप्लाई
yeah. Sin left. Plus cos C minus cos D. What is cos C minus cos D? 2 sin C plus D by 2, that is 3x plus x by 2 into sin C minus D minus C by 2. X minus 3x. X minus 3x by 2 into cos x. Got it? Now moving next step. 3x plus x 4x divided by 2 2x 2 sin 2x into 3x minus x 2x 2x divided by 2 x, which is cos x into sin x. Similarly here 2 sin 3x plus x divided by 2 2x into x minus 3x minus 2 divided by 2 minus x into cos x. Okay, because sine is a cos odd function here, and we know that sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. That is, we can write sine minus x as minus sine x. What we will left with? Sine 2x into cos x into sine x. Here sine minus x can be written as minus sine x. This minus is plus minus minus. 2 sine 2x into sine x and cos x. What we will see? What we are seeing that these two terms are the same. Sine 2x cos x sine x. Sine 2x cos x sine x multiplied by 2. This will cancel out, become 0, which is right hand side.
बाकी तो
That's
कर
proven.
लेंगे
Okay.
हाँ अब आगे बढ़ेंगे
Now moving next proof, which is example number 5. Example number 5, yes, got.
गोद मैंने वो करी
Yeah, example number 5.
पिल्ली
Okay. Now moving to example number 5. What is example number 5? Example number 5. Here it is given that prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. Bracket sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. Sin 5x minus sin 3x. Sin 5x minus sin 3x. Okay, what we have to prove? Cot 4x. Here is cot 4x. Am I right? Yes, it is cot 4x. Cot 4x bracket में sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. This is what we have to prove. Now, first we will prove here the question is type. We have to prove RHS and LHS separately. Yeah, RHS and LHS separately we have to prove and show it they are equal. Just simplify RHS and LHS equations. First, LHS. What is LHS? Cot 4x multiplied by sin 5x plus sin 3x. Here we will use the formula sin A plus sin B. Cot 4x. What is sin A plus B या sin C plus D? 2 sin C plus D by 2. 5x plus 3x by 2. 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay. Now, cot 4x into 2 sin, what is this? Sin 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 4x into 5 minus 3, 2x divided by 2 cos x. Getting my point? And next, we can write cot 4x as cos 4x upon sin x. Isn't it? Cos 4x upon sin 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos x. We can cancel out sin 4x by sin 4x. What we will left with? 2 cos 4x into cos x. Cos 4x into cos 4x. Or this is simplest form of LHS. This is simplest. Now, yeah, can be written as a sum of the cosine, but this is simplest form. Similarly, we can prove RHS or and simplify that or must be equal to this.
Okay.
RHS. RHS. What is RHS? Cot x multiplied by sin 5x minus sin 3x. Now here we shall use sin C minus sin D. Okay, that which is cot. So what is sin C minus sin D? 2 cos C plus D by 2. 5x plus 3x by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. 5x minus 3x by 2. Got it? Now moving next step, which is 2 multiplied 2 is here cot x into 5 3 8 by 4, which is cos 4x into sin x. Sin 5 minus 3 2 by divided by 2x. Or here cot can be written as cos upon sin. 2 cos x upon sin x into cos 4x into sin x. Now sin x can be cancelled out with each other, or what we are left with only 2 cos x into cos 4x, or this is same as our LHL value, LHS. 2 cos 4x into sin x cos x, 2 cos 4x into cos x, or that's proof that LHS is equal to RHS. We can write is equal to RHS value. That's proof. Now example number 6. that is also from NCERT book. Okay. Now moving in example number 6, which is also from NCERT book. These are all questions earlier we have done. 5-6 questions all are from NCERT. This is also from NCERT. Or what is example number 6, that we have to prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x. This is what? Yeah. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 cos x cos 2x cos sin 4 cos x cos 2x into sin 4x into sin 4x. Let's see what will be the possible steps. Proof. LHS. Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x. Here we have to think about what we have to prove. We have to prove cos x cos 2x sin 4x. That is, we make the pair in this section which gives you sin 4x cos 2x and cos x.
हाँ ठीक है.
Or by making the pair sin 7x and sin x, we will get sin 4x. Sin x and sin 7x. And also sin 5x and sin 3x also gives will also give sin 4x. We will make these two pairs and these two pairs by making sin x plus sin 7x and sin 3x plus sin 5x. Got it? Applying formula sin A plus sin B. What is sin A plus sin B? 2 sin C plus D by 2. That is x plus 7x divided by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 into cos x minus 7x divided by 2. Got it? Now here also we can use formula sin C plus sin D. This is also equal to sin A plus B by 2. That is 3x plus 5x divided by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, which is equal to 3x minus 5x divided by 2. Okay. Solving, simplifying this, sin x plus 7x, 8x divided by 2, which is equal to 4x. And here 1x minus 7x, which is equal to minus 6x. Minus 6x divided by 2 minus 3x. But we know that cos is an even function. That is, cos minus x can be written as cos x simply.
Cos 3.
That's why we can write cos minus 3x is equal to cos x. Similarly, 2 sin 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x divided by 2, which is equal to 4x. And here also 3x minus 5x minus 2x. Minus 2x divided by 2 minus x. Or as we know that cos minus x is cos x. Cos minus x, which is equal to cos x. Here we are seeing that sin 4x and sin 4x, that is 2 sin 4x. 2 sin 4x can be taken as common from these two terms. So take it, or take 2 sin 4x as common from these two terms. So what we are left with here, cos 3x plus cos x. Now we will apply cos c plus cos d formula here. So what is cos c plus cos d? Cos c plus cos d, we know that 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is 3x minus x divided by 2, isn't it? Now simplifying this term, are we left with v 2 sin 4x into 2 2 are 4, can be taken as 2 are 4, sin 4x 3x plus x, 4x divided by 2 2x, cos 2x and 3x minus x,
अच्छा तू एक ही कह दिया
yeah, 2 are 4, or cos 3x minus x, 2x divided by 2 cos x. This is what we want to prove. This is what we are to prove. This is the required result, which is equal to RHS. RHS value. Okay.
अब थोड़ा कठिन कर
Yeah. Example 7. Example number 8. Example number 8. In this example, there are 3 questions given. Don't shake it. Now moving to example number 8. Here in example number 8, 3 questions are given, and we will prove only third part. First and second part you can do yourself, and third part we are going to prove. What is third question in example number 8? Given that sin alpha, prove that sin alpha plus 2 by 3, sin alpha plus 2 by 3 plus sin alpha plus 4 by 3, sin alpha plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. This has to be proved is equal to 0. Sin alpha plus 2 pi by 3 plus sin alpha plus 4 pi by 3. Here you can use also the formula for sin a plus b. Sin a plus b in both these. Or you can also make this as pi. You can transform this also formula. Pi plus theta, pi minus theta side. Yeah. Now going to prove sin alpha plus sin alpha plus, we can write this what? Pi minus pi by 3. Getting my point? Plus, and sin alpha plus, we can write this what? Pi plus pi by 3. Okay? Now moving, this is what we are going through LHS. Sin alpha. This can be written as sin pi plus alpha minus pi by 3, isn't it? Pi plus alpha minus pi by 3. There is no difference in this, but written in different form. Sin, we can write, this is also for sin pi plus alpha plus by 3. Now, sin alpha. What is sin of pi plus? Yeah, this can be written as this can be treated as whole theta. Sin 180 plus theta. What is sin 180 plus theta? That is, it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, sin is negative. That is sin alpha minus pi by 3. Got it? Or here also pi plus theta. It is also will be minus sin theta. That is minus sin alpha plus pi by 3. Okay. Now sin alpha.
Yes.
Here we will use
Do
sin
it.
a minus b.
Do it.
Sin a minus b. Sin a plus b. Taking minus as a common. Taking minus common. We will let sin a into cos b minus sin b into cos a. Okay. Here also using formula sin a plus b. What will be sin alpha into cos pi by 3 plus sin pi by 3 into cos alpha. Okay. Now simplifying this term, sin alpha. What is cos pi by 3? Check करो. Okay. Sin alpha. Now putting the value of cos pi by 3 and sin pi by 3 and multiplying by sin minus sin alpha. What is cos pi by 3? Cos pi by 3, that is cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2 minus minus plus sin pi by 3 sin 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 into cos alpha. Isn't it? Similarly, we will put the value of cos pi by 3 and sin pi by 3 here also. Minus 1 by 2 sin alpha minus plus minus root 3 by 2 cos alpha. See what can be cancelled out. Sin alpha 1 by 2 minus this cannot be cancelled out. There is same sign. Root 3 by 2 cos alpha minus root 3 by 2 cos alpha. Sin alpha minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 sin alpha added. They will get added. Sin alpha minus sin alpha 0, which is right hand side. Okay. The rest two questions is your homework. Now moving to question example number 10. Example number 9 you can do yourself. Now we will solve example number 10. See now let's see what is example number 6. Example number 10. Example number 10 is here also there is 3 questions given in this example number 10. We will solve only 2 questions which are both are different from each other. First is cos alpha plus cos beta. Cos alpha plus cos beta raised to power 2 plus sin alpha plus sin beta, sin alpha plus sin beta raised to power 2, and we are to prove this is equal to 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2, alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, let's see first. Proof. Here first we will use the formula a plus b by 2 identity, algebraic identity, a plus b raised to power 2, a plus b raised to power 2. What is algebraic identity? Can be written as cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha into cos beta, isn't it? This can also be applying same formula in this also. What is this? Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha into sin beta. Got it? Now here what we are seeing that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is identity number first trigonometric, which will be equal to 1. Similarly cos square beta plus sin square beta also will be equal to 1. Taking cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1, cos square beta plus sin square beta 1, and here 2 cos alpha cos beta plus last term 2 sin alpha into sin beta. Here 1 plus 1 2, 2 2. We can take 2 as common from all these terms. What we are left with 2 1 plus cos alpha into cos beta plus sin alpha into sin beta. Sin beta. Don't you see here also a formula of cosine?
हाँ,
You can see cos alpha plus cos A plus cos B plus sin A plus
तो
sin B.
cos alpha minus cos
Yeah.
beta, हाँ.
This can be written as 1 plus cos alpha minus beta. Isn't it? Now, what we have to prove? We have to prove 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. Then remember another formula for cosine. What is we can write here? 2 cos 2 theta, or cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Isn't it? This is formula for cos theta.
हाँ,
Theta by 2, sorry, theta by 2.
अच्छा.
Okay? Remember cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1.
याद आ गया.
Theta, 2 theta. Here theta. Theta will be theta by 2. Similarly, alpha minus beta will be alpha minus by 2. Okay? We can write this 1 plus.
2 theta था.
Yeah. If 2 theta, if here is 2 theta, there will be only theta. 2 theta by 2. If there is theta, this will be theta by 2. Similarly, here is alpha minus beta. This will be equal to, this will be 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. Minus 1 and plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled out each other. We will left with only in this term 2 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. 2 and 2 multiplied by will get cos square alpha minus beta by 2, or which is RHS. That's why we are required to prove. Okay. Now moving in same example number 10. Next question, which is different from here. Same type questions is given in this section. Cos alpha minus cos beta, sin alpha minus cos beta, sin beta, or we have to prove 4 sin square alpha minus beta by 2. This can be done in same way. Now we are moving different question in this same example number 10. Yeah. Example number 10, question number 2nd. What is question number 2nd is, it is given that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. Cos alpha plus cos beta
सर थर्ड है.
plus cos gamma, yeah, can be written as third, first, second. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma plus cos alpha plus beta by cos alpha plus beta plus gamma, or this has to be proved cos alpha plus beta 4 times cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos beta plus gamma by 2 cos beta plus gamma by 2
और
into cos gamma plus alpha by 2.
बस.
Cos gamma plus alpha by 2. Can you do that? Can you do this? Okay. What we are seeing that here we have to prove that cos alpha plus beta by 2, cos beta plus gamma by 2, cos gamma plus alpha by 2.
Yeah.
If we take these two terms as a cos A plus cos B,
Cos B.
and
And
what else can be taken as, and cos this,
okay.
yeah,
And cos.
can be taken as. Okay, first these two terms, applying formula cos A plus cos B.
Yes.
What is cos C plus cos D?
Okay.
2 cos C plus D by 2 alpha plus beta by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 alpha minus beta by 2. Getting my point? And applying cos C plus cos D in these two terms. In these two terms, cos C minus cos C plus cos D.
Yeah.
We will get 2 cos alpha plus beta, gamma plus gamma, 2 gamma by 2 into cos gamma minus that can be written as alpha plus beta gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus gamma by 2. There is no difference. Either you can write gamma minus this or this minus gamma, because cos is an even function, thus make no difference in this. Okay, now what we are getting here, 2 cos what is
Gamma minus gamma.
Yeah.
Gaya.
cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos gamma minus beta by 2 plus here 2 cos alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2, and gamma and gamma can be cancelled out. We will get cos alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, what we are seeing this in this term, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 and 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 can be taken as common in these two terms. Taking common, and we are moving towards our desired result, that is we got cos alpha plus beta by 2 terms and 2 also, by applying again in this formula 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2. Here left with cos alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2. Okay, now applying cos C plus cos D again in this term, cos C plus cos D.
Yeah.
Okay, write it.
2 only.
2 cos C plus D by 2
Yeah.
alpha minus beta by 2 plus alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2 upon 2
And
C plus D by 2 C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, that is alpha minus beta by 2 minus ये alpha plus beta plus 2 gamma by 2 upon okay. Now simplifying this sum, we will get 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 and we can take 2 as a 2 to the 4, 2 as 2 to the 4. Here cos here denominator is same, minus beta plus beta will be cancelled out, alpha plus alpha 2 alpha and 2 gamma, 2 alpha plus 2 gamma will be cancelled out these two. That is, by simplifying this we will get alpha
plus gamma.
gamma by 2. Similarly here also denominator is same. Minus beta, that will be minus 2 beta. But alpha minus alpha will be cancelled out and minus 2 gamma. Here we will get minus 2 beta minus 2 gamma.
I cos
Okay.
is odd and even function. It will not impact.
Cos minus 2 beta minus 2 gamma upon 2. Next step, 4 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha plus gamma by 2. Alpha plus gamma by 2 into 2 taken as common, cancel out, we will get only cos beta plus gamma by 2, as cos is even function, minus can be written as a positive. Or this is what we are required to prove, we desire to prove. Cos alpha plus beta by 2, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha, which is equal to RHS value.